How to change Duolingo Language Goal. First, you want to simply open the Duolingo application, and inside the Duolingo application, once you have selected your daily language goal while creating an account, you won't be able to change it afterwards on your settings. And if you want to create a new language goal over here, you want to simply create your new account on Duolingo, and you'd be able to do so by simply tapping on three dots over here. Go to your profile, and here you want to simply tap on settings over here, and you'd be able to sign out and sign in using another account over here. However, if you are looking forward to change your language over here on Duolingo that you're learning, you can simply come to your home page over here, and inside your home page you want to simply tap on this flag icon over here, and by doing so you'd be able to add your course over here. You want to simply tap on course, and by doing so you'd be able to select your next language over here, and you'd be able to follow the prompt to change your language on Duolingo. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.